wave. It was working fantastically well, and that's the reason why we've come today. This is the big event for Bharat, and as you can see right over there, it's an extraordinary journey of an ordinary man and the Zinda song, because there's a gentleman, yes, who's done some extraordinary things with pen, with compositions. We'll make you listen to that first, and then I'd like to call my esteemed star cast and a lot of important people on stage. But first, I'm going to play the Zinda song for you, which is what we've come to see here today. So let's have it on the screen. All right, ladies and gentlemen, there's always excitement in the air when Salman sir is in the house, when you have Katrina with him. It's just very exciting. So I'm going to call them on stage right now. But we're going to start with the producers, Mr. Atul Agnihotri and Mr. Bhushan Kumar, Chairman and Managing Director of T-Series. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause, please. The man who's been the captain of the ship and who's had very special inputs. He's the whole and soul of this song. Mr. Ali Abbas Zafar, big round of applause. Someone who's looking more beautiful day by day. Katrina Kaif, can we have you on stage? Along with the one and only Mr. Salman Khan. We start with a few photo ops before I throw in a few questions. You can shut the music. Yeah. मैं एक और फोटो आप बाद में भी करने वाला हूं after this post that, yeah, with some more. Can we have some mics, please? Yeah. And can we get the chairs on stage as well, please?
आज स्कूल नहीं है. मैं भारत और तुम भारती. ये भारती.
One more.
Get me on BMI cycle, no?
All right, that's that. Thank you so much for joining us on stage. I have to start with the captain of the ship first. You look rather nervous. The man whose name is all over. This is a brilliant first for you. You all obviously are aware. Ali Abbas Zafar has composed it, given the lyrics himself. You haven't sung it. I don't know why you chose not to sing it. So I have to ask you that. But are you nervous at all?
I think little bit, which is, I think, before every film, you get a little anxious. I won't say it's nervousness. But yeah, I think we are very happy the way it's turned out. And we hope everyone will like it.
But it's big, bigger, biggest for you. It looks ginormous. Everything looks so massive. You know, and you make massive films with Salman sir, but this one really looks big. So when you're making the canvas as a director, is it over? I mean, can you get overawed at times thinking that, oh my God, there's so much to cover?
Well, you know, it's actually an official adaptation of a Korean film called Ode to My Father. Salman sir actually gave me that film to watch. The first thing that strikes you when you watch that film is it's a very beautiful emotional story, but it spans over 70 years. So when we were adapting it and rewriting it for the Indian context, the biggest challenge was that will we meet the scale of the film? Can we show the history of 70 years of this nation along with the character of Bharat? So automatically, you know, it started there, and that's where, you know, the kind of support production gave us, from Atul Bhai to Bhushan sir, everyone. It's a shark. I would say it's a whale that we are riding on.
But it's a big thumbs up. It's looking fantastic. The support that you've given, sir, it's looking fantastic. From the first trailer, people's jaws have dropped. The songs have done really well. But when you're standing over there, are you biting your nails and saying, "Sab time pe kadam karna, please. Don't go over the budget at all." I know the budget is enormous, but still.
I guess when you're doing a film with Salman Bhai, everything is big.
Yeah.
It's a big opportunity, there are big expectations, and there are big responsibilities. So after Bodyguard, we were looking for something to do that matched that, and everything was going to be big about it. And like he said, then when we found Ode to My Father, we felt this was the right vehicle to be trying out all that.
Bhushan sir, lots and lots and lots of films coming up in the next 6-7 months. You've been a very, very busy gentleman. I have to mention this to you all. He's listening to songs standing outside also. You know, he's finishing work right there also. You're constantly on the job, but the songs are done really well. You know, and social media is a great way to figure out, even though it's Katrina and Salman, yes, you know that it's going to be a wave, but still they're done really well. So it must make you very happy and proud.
You're very happy, but Salman Bhai was not happy with the promotion. तो वही मैं उनको बता रहा हूँ कि इट इज़ ग्रोइंग वेरी वेल भाई, हर जगह पे नंबर 1 हो गया गाना, और ये तो बहुत ही बड़ा होएगा ये गाना जिंदा
जिंदा वाला
जी,
Right.
वेरी
टाइगर
स्पेशल
जिंदा वाला वो तो तुम्हारे पास है ही नहीं, वो तो यशराज के पास.
There's so much in this film, Katrina. You're looking fabulous, you're looking lovely. I have to say, this is like so many different avatars that you're living in this film as well. So this is also a great opportunity for you also. You're showing so many sides of you. You must be really happy when you jumped in. You're jumping in a little later, as is well documented. But I mean, kudos to you. Picked up the gauntlet and you just carried forward amazingly well.
Yeah, I think for me it was, honestly, I feel it's once in a lifetime character. And it's a character which the minute I read, I fell in love with completely. And I was just so extremely excited, and I was very happy to be given this opportunity, or to get an opportunity like this to enact this character. And honestly, every day on this film has just been so fulfilling as an actor. I think it's definitely my most incredible experience working with Ali. We've done 3
Thank you,
films.
Priyanka.
We've done 3 films together, but I can honestly say that this film has been the best experience so far. And I think we're just all super, super excited now for everyone to see the film.
You know, before I come to Salman sir, there's one comment that came from the fans. Why don't you like or comment Salman sir's pictures on Instagram? Apparently, this has come across. Do you like? So, do you not like and I mean, I wasn't aware of this, but do you not like and comment on Salman sir's pictures?
You know, it's not intentional, but now that you say it, I'm thinking about it, and yeah, I think you need
Like that, you're commenting on everything.
I think you need to maybe up your Insta game.
Huh?
I think you need to up your Insta game.
I get into trouble when I up my Instagram.
Okay, so basically, we're going to see a few more likes and comments coming across. Right.
I'm going to be more attentive to this for sure.
She's not like appreciating, not liking any of my pictures. Jo bhi hai.
Apparently, sir. Apparently, I wasn't aware of this. Apparently, this is what the fans are saying.
Whose pictures is she liking?
Oh,
and
that,
commenting
I
on?
haven't really checked that out. But, you know, amazing to see you in so many avatars. I mean, lots of fanboy moments happening for the world. You know, Daadi mein dekh rahe hain Salman sir ko, alag-alag avatar mein, you know. This was a really big thing for you to also carry on. As an actor also, I think it must have challenged you the most. I mean, would I be wrong in saying challenged you the most in the longest time?
Even more than Sultan. Because my dear friend here, our director, Ali, I don't think he's ever been to the gym ever. Where are you going, madam? When my time to talk is, come you. Even more difficult than Sultan.
Yeah.
Difficult is the word. Because in Sultan we had to do this, putting on weight, losing weight, putting on weight, losing weight, and shooting, gym, shooting, gym, shooting, gym. Out here also it was pretty much the same, because to look younger you need to lose those many kilos. And because we produced the film ourselves, so we could not like complete that portion first.
Yeah.
So we had that portion, then we did that portion and that portion, because the set was the same. Let's go bar, we couldn't have, you know, dragged it on for long. So then losing weight there, then putting on weight there. So it was very hectic this time as well.
Oh, it looks like it, but like I said, kudos to the whole team. It looks fantastic. I'm going to throw it out open to the audience and my entire media friends. I know they want to ask a lot of questions. On the left here. Can we have the mics? Actually, we're close enough. If you want, you can stand and ask. I mean, if you want to, yeah. Yeah?
देखा, जब अपनी तारीफ सुनो उसी वक्त एंट्री मारो वापस से. She was just saying that you were beautiful in Ethia.
Oh, thank you.
On the left there,
Not
yeah.
there, there.
Can I? While we continue, or do you want to, let me just, because then nobody else will be able to pick up the question. Can we just, is there a mic? somewhere?
तो सवाल तो पूछा
Right
नहीं,
there.
ने
Yeah, there we
compliment
go.
दिया, सवाल
Perfect.
पूछा
No,
नहीं.
no, we're good. Thanks. Yeah.
Check. Thank you so much. My question to you is कि क्योंकि आपने इतने सारे किरदार निभाए हैं 70 years का, कौन सा एक ऐसा किरदार है जो आपके दिल के बहुत नज़दीक था और किसको निभाने में थोड़ा ज़्यादा चैलेंज आपने फेस किया?
देखो ये जो किरदार है ये मेरे एज के आसपास है, तो इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं हुई. हाँ, ये जो किरदार है मैं काफ़ी अरसे पहले इसको भूल गया था, तो इसको वापस से एक रिसर्च करना पड़ा मेरी खुद की ज़िंदगी में जाके पुरानी पिक्चरें देखकर, और फिर धुंधला धुंधला सा मुझे कुछ याद आ रहा था अपना बचपना, तो उसमें मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा तकलीफ हुई है.
Salman sir, you're centered.
Because you know that उसका चाल, you know, the way, the walk, the swag, the energy, वो सब 20 साल पहले से का था, वो वापस से लेके आना पड़ा.
सलमान
और
सर,
ऐसा भी लगना चाहिए कि वो आउटडेटेड नहीं लगे.
जी, मेरा सवाल अतुल जी और भूषण जी दोनों से है.
Straight on the left again.
भाव.
And we'll go slow with the questions. एक पूरा complete करने दो answer. It's much easier then, है ना? Yeah. Please go ahead.
ईद का मौका हो और सलमान जी हो तो कंटेंट मायने नहीं रखता है, लेकिन जिस तरह से हमने ट्रेलर देखा इसमें कंटेंट भी बहुत दमदार है, लेकिन काफी लंबी जर्नी है. तो क्या एक क्रिएटिव पर्सन होने के
नहीं
नाते
नहीं,
आप
2 घंटे 30 मिनट.
जी जी, लेकिन
हाँ,
फिल्म की जो
फिल्म में लंबा है, 70 साल की जर्नी, यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 घंटे 30 मिनट.
तो क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि ये सोने में सुहागा का काम करेगी?
हम
ईद
तो
और
यही उम्मीद
इसके
कर रहे हैं. हम तो यही उम्मीद कर रहे हैं. भारत तो हार नहीं सकता कभी भी.
नहीं
भारत
मैं
को तो जीतना
कंटेंट के
चाहिए.
वे में बोल रही हूँ कि कंटेंट भी आपको लगता है, आप लोगों ने जरूर फिल्म
जी.
देखी होगी, तो
जी.
मैं भूषण जी और आपसे दोनों से पूछना चाहती हूँ.
जी हम दोनों का वही सेम आंसर होएगा कि कंटेंट
Yeah.
इसका बहुत बहुत अच्छा है. जब हमने पहली बार फिल्म देखी थी जो कोरियन फिल्म थी, उसी इट वाज अ सबटाइटल के साथ देखी थी और उसमें ही इतना इमोशन और मींस इमोशन आ रहा था कि फिल्म हमने उसी टाइम बोला कि नहीं हमें करनी चाहिए.
ये
अतुल,
दोनों गलत जा रहे हैं. एक इमोशन भरी पिक्चर आई थी ईद पर, तो इसमें बहुत ज्यादा एंटरटेनमेंट है, उसे मद्देनजर रखकर हमने बहुत ज्यादा एंटरटेनमेंट डाला है. इमोशन कम है लेकिन प्लॉट बड़ा स्ट्रांग है. प्लॉट
अतुल,
बड़ा स्ट्रांग है.
जी,
सो दिस फुल ऑन आपने देखा ही है इसके ट्रेलर और प्रोमोज और गानों के अंदर के, इट्स अ फुल ऑन एंटरटेनिंग फिल्म.
अतुल जी दोबारा आपको पर्दे पे हम कब देखेंगे?
आपकी ख्वाहिश है ऐसी. जरूर कोशिश करेंगे.
घर चले जाओ, आप देख लोगे उनको पर्दे.
Salman, towards your
Salman,
left.
पर्दे पे देखना है, पर्दे में देखना है, आप वो डिसाइड करो.
All right, this gentleman,
Salman sir,
yeah.
you're center.
अगर
on the right
मीरा ने
side.
आपको अलाउ कर दिया तो
Salman sir, you're center. Rahul here from the Filmi Charcha. Center sir. सर भारत शब्द नाम सुनते ही सबसे पहले अगर जहन में कुछ आता है तो हमारा देश आता है सर. आपके लिए गौरव की बात है सर कि आपके फिल्म का नाम भी भारत है और आपके किरदार का भी. देखा जाए तो एक साथ 3 भारत की जिम्मेदारी आपके कंधों पर है, किरदार का, फिल्म का, देश का. तो सर तीनों को किस तरह से आप एक दूसरे से जोड़ते हैं और कद्र और इज्जत कायम रखने के लिए क्या क्या तैयारी हुई है सर?
बड़ा ये अच्छा सवाल पूछा आपने.
दोबारा पूछूं सर?
नहीं नहीं, अगर आपने वो सवाल दोबारा पूछा तो जवाब भी उसी सवाल में है. जो आपका सवाल था वही जवाब भी था. तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सवाल पूछने का और जवाब देने का.
सर कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे, बोलिए
हाँ,
सर.
मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगा कि पिक्चर का नाम भारत है. मेरा मेरे किरदार का नाम भी भारत है, मेरा कैरेक्टर नाम भारत है और हमारे देश का भी नाम भारत ही है।
Katrina on your left.
और वहाँ
सलमान
पे भारतीय हैं।
सर दूसरा सवाल ये था, फिल्म में एक डायलॉग है आपका सर कि जितने सफेद बाल मेरे सर पे और दाढ़ी पे है उससे ज्यादा रंगीन मेरी जिंदगी रही है सर। सहमत है सर? क्योंकि ट्रेलर में कुछ झलक दिखा भी है और फिल्म में भी इंतजार कर रहे हैं देखने का। तो सर फिल्म में जितनी रंगीन आपकी जिंदगी दिखाई गई है रियल लाइफ में उससे कितना ज्यादा है या कम है सर?
बहुत ज्यादा, बहुत ज्यादा।